Bosch ESP, a milestone in the development of active safety systems. By stabilizing vehicles in critical situations, ESP can prevent many accidents. Invented by Bosch, the ESP Electronic Stability Program went into series production in 1995. It is based on the ABS anti-lock braking system, which was developed by Bosch at the end of the 1970s. At sites around the world, Bosch manufactures all the main components of the ESP system. Bosch ESP Generation 9, more compact and powerful and adaptable to any vehicle. Generation 9 of the Bosch motorcycle ABS has won an award from a leading automobile association. To date, Bosch ESP systems have been installed in more than 75 million passenger cars and light trucks worldwide. ESP can prevent up to 80% of all skidding accidents. And ESP will be the basis for many new and powerful assistance and safety systems in the future as well. Bosch, invented for life.